Good day everyone. For today's video, we will going to create a menu-oriented program using switch statement. So in this program, we will first ask the user to input the size of the array. Second, the user will insert elements to the array. The number of input is dependent to the prior input array size. The user will input a search value of which the system will search in the values inserted instead of 2. After that, the user will select the searching technique to be used to execute the searching process. Then, the program must print the index location of the search value, otherwise it will print not found. For our sample output, the array size is 5. Elements are 1, 3, 4, 2, and 6. So the value to be searched is 3. So again, we will ask the user to choose his or her desired searching technique. We will also ask the user if the array is sorted or not. So in this case, the user answered not. So below we have two menus, which is A for linear search and B for binary search. Enter your choice. B. This will print binary search is not applicable because the array is unsorted. If the user will uh, insert A, so this will first display the elements present in the array and then print the value that you search for uh, is in index or location 2 of the array. Thank you for using this program. So without further ado, let's move on to our NetBeans. So the name of our package is menu-oriented program. Next, we have to import java.util.asterisk. If you can see the sign asterisk, means that we are importing the whole package. If you only import a single class, we have to change the asterisk sign, this one, into scanner. Next, we have to create a main class. So our main class, we named it menu-oriented program. So menu-oriented program is our main class. So the main method is linear search, main method. So our main method have an access modifier public static and have an access modifier static. Since we have an int, we have to return an integer data type. So next, in size. So it means of what we create variable into integer size. And next is array. The length. So meaning of that we are storing an array size since we already stored an array length for a size. Every array of the length will check into statement if the element is equal to value. So we have to return the index value. Then our method linear search return 1. Public static int. Let's move on to our binary search. Int array, int num, int 1 is equals to 0, and r array.length minus 1. While 1 is lesser than or equal to r, int m equals to 1 plus r minus 2 divide by 2. If array m is equals to number, then return m. Else, if array m is lesser than number, then 1 is equals to m plus 1. Else r equals m minus 1. Then return 1. So let's move on to our main method. So scanner input, since we are asking input from a user, use scanner system.in. Then we'll prompt enter the size of the array. Int size input that next int. So int array new int then the size. Then next we will prompt the size of the elements that the user needs to input. Next we will prompt the value to be searched. We will ask the user for the value that he she are going to search. And next, we will ask the user to choose whether choose techniques, whether it's binary or linear searching. We will also ask the user if the array is sorted or not. Then we'll prompt the menu. A for linear search and B for binary search. Then we will the user will enter his choice. Then switch. Let's move on to our switch statement. For case A, we will prompt elements in the array. For int I array, then it will print the I. Next is num search value result. Linear search array num. If result is equals to 1, then it will prompt element is not present in the array. For else system.out print the value that you search for is in index location, then the result of the array. For case B, if answer n, then it will print binary search is not applicable because the array is sorted. Else num search value result equals to binary search array num. If result is equals to 1, then it will print element is not present in the array. Else, it will print the value that you searched for is in index, then the location, put the index, and then a number that you user search for. Break. Then lastly, it will prompt to the user, thank you for using this program. Then input that close. So thank you for listening. I hope you learned something from this short tutorial.